welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Consort, a quaint and vibrant village located in East Central Alberta. Situated at the crossroads of Highway 12 and 41, Consort is approximately 250 kilometers southeast of Edmonton and 252 kilometers northeast of Calgary, making it a rural gem well within reach of Alberta's major centers. Just 60 kilometers west of the Saskatchewan border, Consort also serves as a gateway to our neighboring province. Despite its modest size, with a population of 644 as of the 2021 census, Consort boasts a rich community spirit and a history rooted in agriculture and ranching. The area is known for its mixed farming and expansive cattle operations, while the oil industry also plays a significant role in the local economy. Consort is proud of its hometown hero, Grammy-winning singer-songwriter K.D. Lang, whose journey began here. Her artistic success is a testament to the nurturing community spirit of this small village. Life in Consort offers a balance of rural tranquility and vibrant activity. The village provides a range of recreational facilities from sports arenas to community halls, catering to residents and visitors alike. Local service clubs and organizations are the backbone of community life, hosting events and fostering connections that make Consort feel like home. Whether you're passing through or planning a longer stay, Consort invites you to experience its unique charm, friendly faces, and the unassuming beauty of Alberta's prairie landscapes. This village is not just a destination, it's a place where community and opportunity thrive together. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.